Good day to our lecturer and also our fellow friends. So today, me myself, Rosintima Willy, and also my teammates Tengku Nur Izlin and also Nurul Wahida are very excited to present our business proposal for Internet Cafe. So for the introduction, I will give you an overview about our business at art. So for our cafe, internet cafe, it is actually operates within a compact and actually is designed single story shop lot and measuring by 15 and 25 feet. So inside this space, actually we have a carefully planned layout that comfortably accommodates 10 height specification customer client PCs and also one dedicated administrative management terminal and a centralized printing and also utility corner to handle customer documentation needs. So moving to the location, actually we have selected a very commercial shop lot within the Taman Tasik Utama district in Aikaro, Melaka. So why we choose this location? Because it's very highly strategic and it actually sits right next to the higher education institutions, which is UTM, as well as the major student residential areas. So for us, this place actually gives us a very direct access to high density population of students and also technologies young adults. So now I will be passed to the floor to the Wahida to talk about our target market.
Let's talk about who we serve. So we have three main groups. The first one is university and school students. The second one is local residents, and the third one is gaming community and e-sport teams. So for the first one, which is university and school student, since students need a stable internet for assignment, research and printing, we provide all of that so that students can avoid from lagging or any disconnection during deadlines. And for the local residents, some people might not have any PC or home internet, but they need a temporary access for a personal or office matter. So our cafe is their easy and affordable solution. And last but not least is gaming community and esports team. That is our core group. Since gamer needs a high performance PCs and ultra low latency, our cafe offer a powerful machines and fast connection for a serious online gaming and e-sport practice. So that's for our target market.
Thank you, Wahida, for the explanation. So now I'll be explaining for the hardware specifications. To ensure our customer to have an elite experience in our cyber cafe, actually we have split our hardware procurement into clear operational categories. So we have split it into two, which is client workstation and also admin workstation. So for the client workstation, actually we have deployed about 10 medium range gaming desktop PCs. Actually it's priced about 3,000 per each, and it's also paired with 24-inch which is full HD monitors including gaming keyboard, mice, high quality headset which and also mic. And actually this brings to our client hardware subtotals about 36,300. So moving to the admin workstation, so which handles the core management of the cafe, we has proposed about single high spec PCs priced for 4,000 ringgit per unit. So the setup is actually exchange the dual monitors for multitasking. So the PCs actually for the power redundancy and the heavy duty office network laser printer, also scanner and also copier machine which is value about 1,500 ringgit. So this subtotals bring for our admin counter comes to 7,180 ringgit. So now I will pass to the Aileen. So she will walk us through for the network infrastructure, software, and also financial totals.
Thank you, Rosie. So, moving on to our networking infrastructure, we have implemented a physical star topology. At the center, we have our 16-port gigabit switch, which connects every workstation, that including 10 client PC, 1 admin PC, and the printer using dedicated cable. So this is connected to a TP-Link Archer AX23 router, which acts as our gateway. We choose this design because it is easy to manage, simplifies troubleshooting by isolating faulty device, and ensure that a single device failure does not affect the entire network. Next one is our software specification. For our software specification, we have ensure our both performance and our security across all 11 stations. So our setup includes Windows 11 Pro OEM license for all 11 units, Microsoft Office and Home for 2 units. For our security, we use Casper Sky Small Office Security for antivirus protection. And for the management, we use Pharonics Deep Freeze for system stability, and dedicated billing or console software to manage our operation. Finally, regarding our total investment, the budget is broken down into 4 main categories, which is client workstation that costs about 36,300 ringgit. For the admin workstation, costs up to 7,180 ringgit. For the network infrastructure, total up to 850 ringgit. Meanwhile, software specification 12,180 ringgit. This brings our grand total estimated cost to 56,510 ringgit, which guarantees long-term sustainability and high quality experience for our users. For our networking infrastructure, we have implemented a physical star topology. This design places our TP-Link 16-port gigabit switch at the center of the network, acting as the central hub. All 10 clients workstation, the admin PC and the network printer are connected directly to this central switch using dedicated table. The switch then connects to our TP-Link Archer AX23 wireless router, which serves as the gateway to the internet. We choose this topology because of 3 reasons. First is centralized management. All network traffic is directed through a central point, making the system much easier to monitor and manage. The second reason is simplified troubleshooting. Because each device has its own dedicated connection, a faulty cable or malfunction device is easily isolated and identified without affecting the rest of the network. And the last reason is fault tolerance. A significant advantage of this star configuration is that a single device failure or even a broken cable at one workstation does not bring down the entire network, ensuring our cafe stays operation.
Next, let me explain the devices that we use. The first one is router, and this TP-Link Archer AX23, it works as a gateway, provides security and give Wi-Fi for staff and guests. For the second one, which is the switch, this 16-port gigabit switch, it connects all wired device in our cafe. And the third one is the fiber modem. It changed the fiber optic signal from the internet provider to Ethernet for our devices. These 3 devices works together to give fast and stable network. Okay, now let me talk about the cables and wireless that we use. First is Cat6 UTP cable. This cable gives 1 Gbps speed. It is stable for gaming and business. For the second one is fiber optic cable. This is from our internet provider. It is high speed and low latency and reliable. And the third one is Wi-Fi. This is for wireless devices like smartphones, tablets and laptops. So we use at our cafe, we use both Wi-Fi and cables to serve all of our customers.
To ensure efficient communication and management within our cafe, we have implemented a static and dynamic IP addressing scheme based on the 192.168.1.0 network. We are using a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, which provides a usable host range from 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.1.254. This critical infrastructure device, specifically our wireless router, admin PC and network printer, are assigned static IP address to ensure they are always reachable at a consistent location. Our wireless router IP address is 192.168.1.1.1, which is our gateway and DNS. For the admin PC that we use for management and billing is 192.168.1.2. For the permanent printing address IP, we have 192.168.1.5. For our 10 client PCs, we utilize DHCP. This allows the system to automatically assign address in the range of 192.168.1.11 to 192.168.1.20 via MAC address reservation. It's simplifying the setup process for the new device added to the network.
Thank you, Aislinn, to keep our network organized and secure. So now we have created a very strict IP address strategy. For our wireless router, actually it's assigned a static IP for 192.168.1.1 to 8 as our default gateway. So for our admin PC, it's giving 192.168.1.2, which is statically, so the central billing console maintains a permanent and also uninterrupted connection. For the network printer, I think this one is the share one, which is locked statically at 192.168.1.5. So the client PCs will never lose their printing path destination. And finally, we have our client PCs which is 1 through 10 are assigned IP address from 192.168.1.11 to 192.168.1.20. So instead of letting these float randomly, we have DHCP reservation on the router. So actually this automatically assign with the exact same IP address to the same PCs based on the hardware MAC address, which allows us to monitor data usage and handle session logs accurately. So now I will be handed over to the Wahida to discuss our internet connectivity choices.
So next is types of internet access. For the internet option, we have 5 options, and the first one is Unify Fiber, Unify Mobile, Streamix, Maxis Fiber, and also Celcom Digi 5G. But for our cafe, we choose Unify Fiber because it is stable, low latency, and it's perfect for students, residents, and also gamers. Let me explain why we choose TM Unify Business Fiber for our cafe. First one, it supports 11 users at the same time, which is 10 customer and 1 admin, and the network still runs well. For the reason 2, fiber optic cable is not affected by electromagnetic interference, which means fewer condition problem. And the third reason is because it gives higher speed, lower latency and better stability compared to other option. And why is it important for gamers? Because online games need a really fast response times and reliable connection, because no one wants a lag during games.
To conclude, the Ethernet Cafe network designs delivers a stable, fault-tolerant, and cost-effective infrastructure using a physical star topology. This setup ensures that a failure in one workstation does not disrupt others, while centralized management allows easy troubleshooting and maintenance. Backed by a 500 Mbps TM unified business fiber connection, the network supports high bandwidth gaming and academic productivity with low latency. With a total investment of 56,510 ringgit, these designs could guarantees long-term operational sustainability, secure asset management, and an exceptional customer experience for both the gaming community and UTEM students. So that's all from us. Thank you.